Do you want your grades to look like every it girl, that girl, the academy girl, Pinterest girl, the beauty with brain of the class does, who are not just beautiful but also smart, effortlessly getting high grades while being put together? Then this is the only video you need. In this video, I will be sharing some of the best methods, tips, and tricks that are gatekeeping and used by the majority of top students. And welcome to the Beauty with Brain. Study methods, Feynman Technique. In this, you learn about a topic and pretend to be a teacher. Now you have to teach that topic to your imaginary student, just like how you pretend to dance in front of your audience when no one is home. As you're explaining the topic, notice the areas where you struggle to explain. Go back to those areas, improve and repeat until you don't make any mistakes. This method is really famous among toppers, as the topic becomes crystal clear in your mind without any doubts, and that's what we want. The Blurting Method. It is an active recall method in which you read and understand the topic and remember some of it. You don't need to memorize all of it. Now close the book and take a blank sheet of paper and write everything you remember. After that, take another look at your notes and see what information you missed, so that way you know what you need to focus on. Keep repeating until you feel like you remember everything. This method is great for graphs, tables, and mapping. Have 2 sections for each topic or more. And at the end, test your knowledge by writing everything at once. Pomodoro Technique. In this, you set a timer of 25 minutes and start your task. If a distraction pops up in your head, write it down on a piece of paper and return to your task. When the buzzer rings, put a check mark or some kind of symbol to remember how much you complete. You've completed 1 increment, also known as Pomodoro. Take a 5-minute break and check the distraction that popped up in your head. Do stretching, get some air, make a cup of coffee, and all. After 4 Pomodoro, take a long break for like 30 minutes. Repeat as needed. The Pomodoro Technique is a powerful technique used to manage distractions and control your time, increase accountability, improve weekly study planning, decrease back pain and mental fatigue, and lastly, maintain motivation. Next, the SQ3R Method. In this, S is for survey. Go through topics and try to understand what it is. Ticks mark the important topics. Q is for the question. Now that we have main topics, turn those topics into questions like the one asked in the exam. First, R is for reading. Read again, but this time find the answers to the question you made and tick mark it or highlight it. Second, R is for reciting. Now go through those topics, read them and summarize in your own words. Try recalling and identifying major points of the topic, also the one that will help with the questions you made. Third, R is for reviewing. Now it's time to quiz yourself. Review all the topics or the one you want to do first. Close the book and answer the question related to the topic you just reviewed. Repeat as needed. Last, mind mapping. This is a technique that allows you to visually organize information in a diagram. First, you write a central idea or topic in the center of the page. Create branches and sub-branches to represent the main topic and subtopic. Keep sub-branching ideas till your topic allows. This is a great technique to memorize the big brief answers by converting the branches into sentences of your own. Now, all you have to do is try these methods and see which method works for you. And the most important thing is to get 7 or 8 hours of sleep. This will help your brain hold on to the information longer. Also, I will make a video on how you can make actual notes and some other study tips that will make you an overall it girl of your class. Stay tuned. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any study tips that you would like to share, comment down. See you in the next one. Take care.